Alright, let's go back to the 60s for this one. Hey, one of my favorite bands of all time is Paul Revere and the Raiders, and George Barris happened to have done a custom Raiders coach. That looks like right here in the picture. Hey, I did a little research on this thing. This was for an advertisement, I guess, for pianos? I'm not 100% certain because it's got the Vox amplifiers going on here. And apparently the car didn't actually run, from my research. You could prove me wrong on that, and I'd like you guys to. I do not know if this car still exists at all. I know it's been refurbished once or twice, but I don't know where the hell it's at, and I've actually never seen it. Alright, so, enough talking about this cool picture on the box, this nice painting. I like these old school boxes because they got those old paintings. They're pretty cool. So let's get this out of here. I'll show you here how I took a couple liberties on it and made it my own, and let's go. Alright, so check this bad boy out here, huh? Spin this around for you. It's got the Pontiac GTO front end, and it's got some Pontiac engines. From what I read, they were not the same engines. It's kind of interesting. The Vox amplifiers, the lanterns for headlights, another amplifier back there. You got the coach, which is really cool. It's got the lights up there for the driver. You know, stage lights, I guess. Again, very cool coach. Keyboard on the back, the amplifiers. So as a guitarist, this is really cool because you get to see the amplifiers, and I got to make little models of amplifiers. It's kind of cool. Alright, so let me break it down for you here. Front end is just a Rust-Oleum orange. Came with some pinstriping stuff. So I put the black pinstriping on there because it kind of matched the coach on the back there. Thought that was kind of cool. This kit had a lot of flash. All the chrome parts were super flashy. So like on the engine here, like see that's still the chrome. That was painted the Rust-Oleum chrome. Got the red inserts there and the stacks. That's cool. Yeah, a lot of flash going on this kit. So if you're gonna do it, be careful. I know a lot of people say this kit doesn't go together very well. I thought this went together flawlessly. The back here is just flat black. I did the yellow here. This is acrylic yellow, and I did light coats on it. So that's probably like 6 coats of the yellow. And I like the way it came out because you kind of did the light coats, let the black kind of go through a little bit. I think that looks sharp. Steering wheel up there, and the stick shift, the pedal. Nothing special going on back there. The keyboard, just painted it wood. Not some of my best work. White with the black keys. Another amplifier buried back there. Another amplifier in the back. This slide here was kind of a pain to put on. It's kind of crooked. I don't want to touch it. The back wheels here are plastic. I don't know why I said it, plastic. But anyways, it's got plastic back wheels to go together very, very nice. I love the wheels. Kind of the AMT thing going on there. The kind of the 60s, 70s look there. And then, I did not see it on here. Over here, it kind of has a shadow around, but according to the real one, it was not. I did the red outline around it. Red outline around the coach here. One of those framework, I should say. When I was doing it, kind of made it look like the Batmobile a little bit. And I need a little touch-up over there. I just noticed that. Don't know what happened there. Well, we'll give that a touch-up. So, I think this was a super cool kit. This was super fun. I had a lot of fun building this. Also gave me a chance to listen to a lot of Paul Revere and the Raiders when I was building it, which is always cool. I grew up a Raiders fan. My parents listened to the Raiders. So, like I said, a lot of fun. I recommend it. If it's anything like the one I had, there was a lot of flash. Just be careful, take your time. Boom, that's good. So, by the way, this does separate into 2 here, I should mention. Carefully pick it up. There's a hook back there and a little... So, you can put it in there right. Boom! Got a little stitch right there. Couldn't get it in. So the Paul Revere and the Raiders coach. I recommend it. Go get yourself one. It's by MPC. Go get yourself one. All right, everybody. I thank everybody for watching. I thank all my subscribers for supporting me. I love you guys. If you're not a subscriber, you're new here, hey, go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot of kits that I do reviews on. A lot of cool stuff coming up here. So, always something cool. All right, everybody. So that's my review. I'll see you on the next video. Wherever you're at, whatever you're doing. I hope it's a good one.